Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. During the time of Jesus, there were four groups of people whom people do not want to get in touch with. There are the four groups of people where people try to refrain from them. Number one, the poor. Number two, the blind. Number three, the barren. And number four, the lepers. And during the time of Jesus, leprosy has no cure. And it was believed that it was contagious. And so people refrained from them to get in touch with them. And not only that, they were even ostracized away from the community. You can imagine how painful their situation was. They had no cure, and above all, the community left them alone, away from the group of people. My dear brothers and sisters, perhaps today, leprosy has its cure. But even until today, there are people whom we refrain from. There are people whom we do not want to be with them. They are not lepers, but we do not want to see them or even to get in touch with them or even to go near to them. Who are these people? Three kinds of people. Number one, they are the unlovable people in our lives. Do you know of somebody who is unlovable? These are maybe one of our children. Nga bisaon saog pamata og sayos buntag, wa gyud mo mata. Mao nang na-late na lang mog anhi dinhi. Sometimes they are unlovable. Who are the unlovable people in our lives? These are our husbands nga dili mohatag sa ilang tibuok sweldo. Who are the unlovables? Mao ni ang ato mga office mates nga magsigilag panghinaway. Who are the unlovables? These are our TLs, our supervisors nga magsigilag pangitag sayop. Who are these unlovables? Maybe our seatmates in the classroom nga suya-suyaon kaayo. Number two, incorrigible people. We do not want to see them. Incorrigible people are those people whom we have reminded, whom we have told regarding their negative attitude, and yet they continue doing so. Mao ni mga tao nga bisan sao na tog badlong, bisan sao na tog pahinumdom, magpadayon gihapon sa ilang sayop nga binuhatan. These are the incorrigible people. Have you met this kind of people in your lives? Kana magsige kag pahinumdom, kana bitang gipagaw na lang kag pahinumdom, gibalik-balik na lang, na-memorize na lang imong yaw-yaw, wa gihapon mausab. Incorrigible people. These are people nga di gyud mausab bisaon saon ipasul pa nimog rehab, di gihapon mausab. Mao ni mga tao nga makaguba sa atong adlaw. Mao ni mga tao nga di nataganahan mo kaon. Mao ni mga tao nga makasamot sa wrinkles sa atong mga agtang. Number three, the irresponsible people. These are the people whom we have entrusted many things. These are the people whom we entrusted even our emotions, our lives, and then they become irresponsible. They do not take care of us. Mao ni mga tao who have broken our hearts. These are the people whom we thought that they would be the knight in the shining armor, and yet they failed us. They failed our dreams. They failed our aspirations that even until now, we cannot forget them. Have you met these irresponsible people in our lives? Nga uban moingon hangtod sa kamatayon, dili gyud nako hikalimtan. My dear brothers and sisters, in our gospel reading today, Jesus set an example that it was unheard of during his time to be away from the lepers, and yet the Lord was with them. The Lord healed them. The Lord even associated himself with them. Wala siya mahadlok. Wa siya kuyawi. Why? Because Jesus came into the world for the sinners. Jesus came into the world for those people who have been outcast of the society. For after all, Jesus loved the unlovable. Jesus accepted those people who are incorrigible. And even Jesus embraced people who were irresponsible.